The Tesla Cybertruck just got even better, thanks to a range of new features designed to enhance its off-road capabilities. Two new off-road modes, Overland and Baja, have been introduced to improve handling and traction on various surfaces like rock, gravel, snow, and sand. These modes activate the truck's exterior cameras, making it easier to spot obstacles. Plus, all dual-motor Cybertrucks now come with front and rear locking differentials for added control. Tesla has also added Trail Assist, a cruise control system for off-roading, and slippery surface function for better traction in challenging conditions. And for those who opted for the Cybertent, a new Cybertent mode automatically levels the suspension for a comfortable camping experience. With these new features, the Tesla Cybertruck is ready to tackle any adventure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like the video and to subscribe for more updates on the latest in electric vehicles. See you next time!